What is Arogya Sanjeevani policy? Arogya Sanjeevani policy is a new standard health insurance policy launched by IRDA on 1st of April 2020 and will be offered by all health insurance companies in India. This standard plan provides for a basic health insurance cover of between rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakhs. So what is so special about this policy and why it has been launched now? Arogya Sanjeevani is a policy which has standard features across all health insurance companies in India as per IRDA directives. This policy was predominantly launched to provide a simple and standard health insurance policy to all middle class and lower middle class segments at Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities of India with the standard features at a reasonable cost. So now let's look at what all covered in this policy. Hospitalization. Coverage for all pre and post hospitalization expenses that could occur due to an illness or accident is covered. Treatment and hospitalization for COVID-19 too will also be covered in this policy. Room rent. Room rent is covered up to 2% of the sum assured, the maximum of rupees to 5,000 per day. Ayush benefits. Ayush like Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy are also covered in this policy provided the treatment is taken as inpatient one. Cataract treatment. Expenses incurred towards the treatment of cataract for each eye. Policyholders can avail coverage of up to 40,000 rupees or 25% of the total sum assured, whichever is lower. Ambulance charges. Ambulance charges with a maximum cap of rupees 2,000 per hospitalization are included in this policy. ICU charges. ICU CCU charges are covered up to 5% of the sum assured up to rupees 10,000 per day. Cumulative bonus. For every claim-free year, the policyholder gets rewarded with a 5% bonus in their sum assured. New age treatment. Modern treatments like robotic surgery, chemotherapy, bunisinoplasty, etc. have also been covered in this policy to the maximum of 50% of the sum assured. So now, since this policy has a uniform feature across the industry, does the premium are also uniform across the companies? The answer is no. The premium differs from company to company, depends upon the value-added services provided by each service provider. However, the rates are within the limits set by the IRDA. And this policy also attracts copay. The customer has to bear 5% of the claim amount from their pocket as copay whenever they make claims. So who can buy this policy and what's the minimum and maximum sum assured one can avail? Anybody between the age of 18 to 65 can buy this policy. The minimum sum assured for this policy is rupees 1 lakh and maximum is set as rupees 5 lakhs. Should you wish to know more about this policy and buy this policy, please get in touch with us at 98407 90329 or mail us at startearly@planetfinserve.com.